3.
Hi, I am THIVAAKAR SHANMUGAM. I am finally a mechanical engineering student. My project name is Techno 4.0 Motocycle Smart Lock. This project is programming inverted. This project is mainly inverted to reducing the cases of motorcycle stealing. As well, we all know in our country the cases of motorcycle stealing is increases day by day. Then I and my team planning and thinking how to reduce the cases of motorcycle stealing, and we found the solution for the cases of motorcycle stealing. Let's see.
My name HAMZA NUDIN. I will explain for our project. So for our project we have two parts. This one is a skill lock and this one is programming system. So at the key lock we have battery, Bluetooth and this lock. At the programming system we have Arduino, GSM, Bluetooth, GPS and satellite. So the function, the Bluetooth is connect both the device. The function GSM is send and receive the message by our phone. The function GPS also we know to tracking the GPS by satellite. The all part working by Arduino.
I am SHASHWAR son of RAVI. The key lock system will be locked to the display. And the main system will be in the motorcycle. Now the system is on.
Okay, when the system is on, it will send message that said controller is now ready.
The controller is off.
Okay, when the lock is off or disturbed, then it will send the message that saying thief. Okay, when the message is sent, you can go to the app that were provided. Then you can log in. Okay, if you want to know where the motorcycle is, you can press enable, where it will give you a live tracking position where is the motorcycle is. When we press the enable button, then we go to the message and then we click to the link given. It will tell you the real position of the motorcycle is.